Are the AirPods Max still the king of premium headphones, or have they lost their title? After 4 years of use, let's explore the long-term performance and durability and relevance today in 2025. Apple released its first over-ear headphones 4 years ago, the AirPods Max, and they offer a premium audio features like active noise cancellation. The AirPods Max released with both excitement and skepticism due to their high price tag. The build quality of the AirPods Max remained impressive. The anodized aluminum ear cups and stainless steel frame still exude a premium feel. The canopy spanning the headband is made from a breathable knit mesh, designed to distribute the weight evenly and reduce on head pressure. However, after 4 years of use, the knit mesh often loses its strength, making the headphones feel heavier. Unfortunately, Apple charges a premium for replacing the headband, making it a costly repair for those affected, like me. One aspect that has aged remarkably well is the telescoping arms. Even after 4 years of regular use, they still adjust smoothly, allowing for precise and comfortable fit. Foam ear cushions are crafted with acoustically engineered mesh textile. It provides excellent comfort and sound quality. They're easy to detach to keep them clean. However, the glue loosens over time, causing the cushions to separate from the magnetic frame. Replacing these cushions is simple, as Apple do sell replacement ear cushions for $69.99, adding to the long-term expense of ownership. It's worth noting that after extended periods of use, particularly during gym sessions or other activities where sweating occurs, the ear cups can develop condensation inside. This is a known issue that some users have experienced. The sound quality of the AirPods Max continues to hold up really well, delivering a balanced soundstage, even though audiophiles might still prefer wired options for absolute fidelity. But for everyday use, listening to the AirPods Max remain competitive. A special audio introduced shortly after launch enhances the experience for movies and supported music tracks. Apple later added personalized spatial audio, which uses the Face ID on the iPhone to map your face and the shape of your ears. This creates a custom profile tailored specifically to you. Importantly, this data used to develop your profile is processed entirely on your device, and images are not stored. Your personal profile for spatial audio syncs across all your Apple devices using end-to-end encryption and cannot be read by Apple. The spatial audio with Dolby Atmos is designed to provide an immersive multi-dimensional audio experience that allow artists to mix music in a way that makes it sound like the notes are coming from all around you. This makes the movie watching experience feel like you're in a movie theater, popcorn not included. Apple Music has added thousands of songs and keep adding more songs on a weekly basis. And the spatial music playlists are a new way to enjoy your favorite tunes. The AirPods Max launched with some of the best noise cancellation in the market. Even after 4 years, they are still top tier. Competing brands like Sony and Bose have released newer models with incremental updates. Transparency mode remains a standout feature, allowing ambient sound to come through clearly, and is particularly useful in situations where awareness is critical. When new, the AirPods Max offer around 20 hours of battery life with active noise cancellation on a single charge. Up to 4 years of battery degradation is noticeable. I get somewhere around 15 to 17 hours, and I believe this is still acceptable for everyday use. Now keep in mind that these AirPods Max are 4 years old with heavy daily use. This market has not aged gracefully in terms of practicality for some users. It still provides minimal protections, and many users have resorted to third-party cases for better durability. In my case, no pun intended, I still prefer the Apple Smart Case. Integration with Apple's ecosystems remains a strong selling point. Features like automatic switching between devices, seamless pairing, and support of the Find My protocol work as well as it did at launch. However, occasional Bluetooth connectivity hiccups have been reported over the years, particularly after iOS updates. Apple recently refreshed the AirPod Max with USB-C type charging and introduced new colors. The refreshed lineup replaces the original space gray, silver, sky blue, green, and pink, while adding new shades such as midnight, starlight, blue, orange, and purple. However, Apple did not upgrade the aging H1 chip, leaving it unchanged and missing out on the benefits of the newer H2 chip found in the AirPods Pro 2. This omission might disappoint some users like me, hoping for features like adaptive audio where it combines active noise cancellation and transparency into one to adjust the audio volume according to the sound of the world around you, or conversation awareness where it's able to detect if a person is talking to you to lower the volume of the music while enhancing the voice of the person speaking. And if you're listening to a podcast, it stops the podcast and resumes automatically when you're no longer having a conversation, so you don't miss a minute of the podcast. The AirPod Max is still priced at $549, and they held their price for the most part, although periodic sales have offered deep discounts in retailers like Amazon or Best Buy. For years later, the question of value is subjective, and if you're deeply embedded in the Apple ecosystem and prioritize build quality and noise cancellation, there's still a solid choice. However, competitors like Sony's XM5 and Bose Quiet Comfort 45 offer excellent alternatives at a lower cost. After 4 years of use, I believe that the AirPod Max remain a premium product that delivers excellent sound quality, noise cancellation, and ecosystem integration. They age well in most aspects, although some compromises like battery degradation and wear and tear on the headband canopy, and some issues with the ear cushions are inevitable. For potential new buyers, the AirPod Max is still a worthy consideration, although they are no longer the unequivocal leaders in their category. For these reasons, I give them a 7 out of 10. I hope this video will help you decide if the AirPod Max are for you. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section and give it a like. And I hope to see you in the next one.